Hey guys, so today we've got another phone from Sammy Boy. We do have the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus, which I did actually order a couple of months ago, and it's only just arrived. I wanted it in a particular colour here, so I was very excited here about unboxing this device. I've heard some really good feedback about the phone, and also obviously the camera. I do have the Note 5 obviously, which is very similar, but the Note 5 is quite a weird phone in quite a few ways. So let's get it open and see, how it is, and let's use the knife here. So we are obviously on the cusp of new 2016 flagships from Samsung, but the S6 Edge Plus and the Note 5 still very nice phones if you can get them. So this is the device here, and as I said, I have had to get this in from somewhere because they don't have this colour option where I am, which is very weird, and I think it looks probably the best in terms of the attractiveness. And wow, that is very nice. It's bringing to mind the Z5 Premium here, but obviously with the curve look about it. We'll just put that to the side for a second, have a look at what you get in the box. So I think it's quite similar to your other Samsung devices here. Wow, that was stuck in. So you get a SIM tool, earphones, a charging cable, and a charger, obviously fast charger, I think. So yeah, very nice. So we're just going to put this to the side, very nice and quick, and have a look at the good boy. And wow, it feels quite light actually. I was expecting it to be a bit more heavier. So we'll just get this packaging off. Wow, what a jewel. Look at that. That is nice. Wow. Very nice piece of hardware. And we'll just get this off as well. So it looks a little bit like the Z5 Premium on the back here. I didn't know it was actually this shiny. We can just let me just give it a wipe down, because you can see it's left a residue again. They really need to stop putting stickers on the back, because it ruins it as you're unboxing it, and it's really hard to get off as well. Naughty, very bad practice, Samsung. I mean, look at that. It just ruins how beautiful the device is. So I'm probably have to get a proper cleaning or something. But look at that. That is very nice device here. I mean, that just says it all, doesn't it? So obviously, I think you should be aware of the kind of specs here. What you're getting, Exynos 7 series, very similar to the Note 5 obviously, in terms of the form factor, 5.7 inches, so it is quite a big boy compared to the original Edge. But we can just power it on here and see the boot up. Wow. So it boots up very nice and quick here, and strangely enough it seems to be on the settings that I want it on. So we'll just put my password in. Oh, I like this screen, very slopey. So we'll skip this. Skip. 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 Yes, I know. Very nice. So this is the this looks nice. Wow. So yes, it looks actually very pleasant actually. I mean, they certainly kept me waiting. Are we on Android 5.1.1? I think we are. Yeah, we are. So hopefully we'll be getting latest software shortly here. You're gonna locate me. There we go. So I think you get some different wallpapers here as well. Don't remember seeing this one on the Note 5. So some very nice ones here, obviously. Probably keep it on this one for now. It does look pretty gorgeous, really. So yeah, you know, I'll probably do some comparisons with the V10, Z5 Premium, Mate 8, etc. See how, you know, the devices stack up. But just a quick little unboxing here of the S6 Edge Plus. Got any questions, do let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.